Because it's that seed buying and almost seed starting time of year, I wanted to make a quick video about the hardneck garlic bouquets I made last year. If you've got garlic in the ground and would like to make some bouquets this year, you'll want to plant some herbs and flowers that keep their color and don't shrivel up when they dry, such as lavender, statice, gomphrena, yarrow, and strawflower. Think about colors you might want in bouquets, not just in summer, but in the fall and winter as well. Garlic bouquets make great gifts. If you'll be giving a garlic bouquet as a gift in the fall, you'll want some yellows and oranges. And if you'll be giving a garlic bouquet for Christmas, you'll want red and green, such as red gomphrena and eucalyptus. I was just learning how to make garlic bouquets last year and was pretty awkward, so I didn't feel comfortable putting together a video on the process. But I hope to do that this year when I make some more. I didn't have many types of flowers to use this year, so these bouquets aren't even that great, but people still loved them. I just give them as gifts, but you can get a lot of money for garlic bouquets if you sell them. If you want to try your hand at making a hardneck garlic bouquet, keep in mind that you want to make it when the flowers are fresh. Though you can put a garlic bouquet together after flowers have dried, it's much easier and less messy if you put them together right after picking the flowers. I do not recommend making them after the flowers are dried. It takes a long time and it's very frustrating. As long as you use flowers that keep their color, they'll still look great when the bouquet dries. Use more flowers than you think you'll need, as they will shrink a bit, and be sure to pull the twine very tight, again because of shrinkage. If you make garlic bouquets, in the comments, let me know what your favorite flowers to put in the bouquets are.